Three teenagers are being called heroes for saving more than 20 students on a school bus. It was traveling on a New Jersey road when the students noticed something was wrong with the driver. CBS 2's Christine Sloan has this story, new at 6.
Three students grateful to be standing in front of us to tell their story of survival on this school bus that went out of control on Route 22 in Bridgewater, New Jersey, when the substitute driver had a medical emergency.
His eyes were fluttering. The bus driver kept on swerving, and it was like a continuous swerve.
Kayla Wright, Angela Meltos, and Gavin Costello on the runaway school bus heading to the Somerset County Vocational and Technical School when the nightmare unfolded.
It was like, so you passed the exit, and then he said, what exit? And then we were like, the exit to get to school.
All three went into action to save themselves and 24 other kids on the bus. Right in her school's public safety program because she lost her father in a motorcycle accident 8 years ago, and Costello, a Boy Scout, rushed to the driver.
He kept trying to calm himself. He kept taking his hands off his wheels and putting them on his chest.
Their plan to stop the bus at the red light.
We almost started going again past the red light, through the red light. That's when I jumped up and just put the car, pushed it all the way to park.
I told everyone to just get out the bus.
What did the kids say to you after you did this?
They said thank you and all this other stuff.
Wright's mom heard the commotion because Kayla's phone accidentally dialed her. You must have been terrified.
I was terrified.
I am proud of all of them. I think it's a great story about teenagers who all did the right thing and were, at the right place at the right time.
Their schools closed, why we weren't able to get information on what exactly